This video is a guided tour of the Brown Easy RetroFit Ultra Silent Bath Fan Kit model QTRE080R. The fan is rated at 80 CFM and a very quiet 0.8 zones. This kit offers a very forgiving installation strategy where most of the work can be done without venturing into the attic, and with a grill that's large enough to cover the opening left from removing most older fans. With the kit you get a fan housing. It's 7 5/8 inches tall. You get a telescoping bracket which ties into the framing. You get a duct connector bracket, which makes connecting the duct to the fan body very easy. There's also a 4-inch duct collar. It has a built-in backdraft damper. You also receive a bag of mounting hardware and a large 13 by 14-inch grill. This large grill size covers most existing openings left by old fans. Speaking of which, we have created a mock-up of a real bathroom, complete with a noisy old model 688 fan with 3-inch ducting. We're going to show you how we use the Easy RetroFit kit to upgrade to a quieter, more powerful fan. First thing to do is turn the power off. It's very important. Now we dismantle the old fan by removing the old grill. And once the grill is off, see if you can figure out which side of the existing fan is tied directly into your framing above. Often these old fans were screwed into the framing via these metal ears on each side. Now, since I know the RetroFit kit requires a 11 by 12 inch opening in the sheetrock, I made and traced out a template using a piece of cardboard. Now it's just a matter of cutting out around the lines that I drew and taking out the old fan. Obviously, you can see here, got to make sure you turn the power off. You don't want to cut into it with a jab saw. So now we disconnect the old fan and pull it down through the ceiling so we can disconnect the old ductwork and electrical. So first step is taking the old ductwork off and then removing the old electrical. Now the telescoping frame for this RetroFit installation, I've got to bend back these tabs so this can butt right up to the framing above. I put this bracket up into my opening and telescope it out so each end slides up against the stud and on each side, and then I secure it with screws. 2 screws to each side. Once this framing's in place, then I pull down the old ductwork. Now again, this is a 3-inch duct from this old fan. I've got to make a connection to this 4-inch collar on the new fan. So I'm using this 3x4 reducer. It's not included in the kit, but it is for sale on the website. Inexpensive item. It's really best to avoid this, as the reduction will make the fan louder and less effective. So 4-inch ducting all the way through would be preferred. A new specially designed duct connector bracket is kind of the key to making this whole kit work. So you connect the duct to this bracket. It just snaps in, and then you screw the bracket to the telescoping bracket that you've already secured to the studs up above. I set the fan on top of a step ladder to make it safe and easy to do the electrical work. And here's the easy part. The whole body assembly just slides up into the ceiling and then makes a connection with the duct. And there's just 4 screws that secure it to the framing, into the bracket. Now I put the new grill on. It has spring clips on each side which allow it to spring into position and tighten down up against the sheetrock. And I have gone from 50 to 80 CFM and from 4 zones down to 0.8 zones, fortunately without spending time in the attic. If you have any questions about this Easy RetroFit kit, please visit our website or give us a call, and we appreciate you watching the video.